Hello people, welcome to another video lesson, and in this lesson we'll study about verbs. All verbs, weak verbs, strong verbs, regular verbs, irregular verbs, helping verbs, modal verbs, everything related to verbs we'll study today. Action words as in cooking, driving, speaking, coming, going. So these are some action words that are called verbs, and without a verb, a sentence cannot be completed. So we have three kinds of verbs in German, namely main verb, helping verb, modal verb. However, main verb is also distributed under different categories that I've written here. Regular verb, irregular verb, that are also known as weak verb and strong verbs. Double infinitive verb and trainbare verb. This is the whole classification of verb that we have in German. I have also distributed this video in parts so as to make you understand each and every verb in detail. Mainly in this lesson, we will talk about regular verb and irregular verb. Let's get started. The difference between regular and irregular verb is just one, and that's conjugation. When in English I say I am painting, I use am along with I. And when I say she is painting, I'm using is along with she. And when I say we are painting, I use are along with we. So, conjugation means that you have to change the form of verb along with each and every personal pronoun. Let's learn that, how to do it. I am listing here 3 to 4 verbs, and I will tell you how these verbs are getting conjugated. So, meanings are here in front of you. To cook is kochen, to come is kommen, to do or to make is machen. Let's repeat it. Kochen, kochen, kommen, kommen, machen, machen. So, I have listed all the personal pronouns here and I've written the verbs there. As I said, conjugation means changing the form of verb as per personal pronouns. And how do we do that? By removing the ending en and putting some other ending. And what are those endings? You just have to remember e, st, and then you have to remember 10, 10. So, e, st, t, en, 10, t, en, 10. Simple. So just remember, you have to remove the part en, and as per each and every personal pronoun here, you have to mention this specific ending. Let's do that. So while writing kochen, I would remove en and would put this ending, these ending basically. Let's do that. So with ish, I would say en I have to remove and I have to put e. Ich koche. For do, I'll write du kochst. I have to remove en and I have to put st. And similarly, I will do with each and every verb here. I have removed en and I have put these endings at the very end. However, for wir and for zz, the verb is same. En and the ending is also en, so you could just write the verb kochen. Now we'll do for rest of the verbs as well. Try doing it yourself. So these are the endings that you could see here. Now let's just revise and see the meanings. What are the meanings to these? So ich koche, that means I am cooking or I cook simply. For both of them in German, I will say ich koche. Okay? Du kochst. So basically, you are cooking. You is used for singular and informal. Du kochst. Sie kocht. So he is cooking, she is cooking, it is cooking. Wir kochen. We are cooking. Ihr kocht. You all are cooking. And sie kochen. That means they are cooking. And formal you. Aap. You are cooking. However, this is only the conjugation pattern of regular verbs. Now let's see how are irregular verb and we conjugate them. The only reason why verbs become irregular is because of its conjugation. That means the rules that I just told you that says the conjugation should be as per EST 1010, that becomes obsolete. And let's study how. So I have written here two verbs that are lesen and geben. Lesen means to read and geben means to give. And these verbs are irregular because the conjugation of these verbs are not as per the rule that I just told you. That is, let's see the conjugation, how lesen will be conjugated and how geben will be conjugated. So lesen, as per ish, is, again, you just have to remove en and you have to put the ending. So, laser. And that's correct. Ish, laser. You have to remove en and put e. Only the conjugations of these two personal pronouns will change. Rest, all of them are as per EST 1010. So here, the conjugation will be do, least. Heresy is also least. But it is not necessary that always the conjugation of do or heresy will be same. It is same in the case of lesen, but not always it will be same. Rest all of them will be as per the rule of EST 1010. Let's do that for geben as well. Geben means to give. So the conjugation of geben will be as per EST 1010, but the conjugation of do and heresy will change. Let's see how. See here, the conjugation is same E. I have written ST as well, but one thing has changed, that E has changed to I. And same way you could see that in lesen as well, that lesen E has been replaced to IE. So that is why we call these verbs as irregular, because they don't match to the rules that we have EST 1010. And we don't have any specific rule to this, like where IE will come, where E will come, where I will come, where O will come. These are some words that you have to learn it this way. And need not even learn it, you could just read more and more articles, you could read more and more stuffs as per whatever level you are in, and you could just get to know that. That is all for today's lesson, and I want you to write the conjugations of two verbs below in the comments, that are bringen and sprechen. Tschüss, bis zum nächsten Mal.